On Tuesday, again, it was sprinkling again. We took multiple train rides, and we went hiking. Oh my goodness, during our hike there was children walking by themselves, maybe like 3-year-old, 4-year-olds, and they had like a little vest on. Their parents were waiting at the end of their journey, of their walking journey, to pick them up from school. But there was a little boy who was literally getting rained on. He had his only little cap, his cachucha on, and he had like a little rain jacket with the vest. And then there was like 3 other ladies walking behind us, and one, you can tell it was like a mom or a grandma. She goes over and like puts his hoodie over his cap, and the little boy just snatches it, and he's like mumbling something under his breath. But that's how safe the country is, that children, little 3-4-year-olds, can walk like a good 20 minutes by themselves and they'll be safe. That's how safe it is. It blows my mind, The weather here today is rainy, but it's been raining every day. I'm not quite sure what we're doing today. I think I was just hiking. We're supposed to go on a mountain coaster. I'm not sure what that is either. Apparently they are closed. But a ver qué hacemos hoy. We're going to hop on this train real quick. Ay shit. That scared me. Oh yeah. Love it. We have been hiking up here to do this little activity, and it's been sprinkling. Actually raining. Look at this, guys. It was worth the wet hike up here. So beautiful and calming. Tea time. And she's having chocolate. What are you having?
Hot chocolate. And a little limonada.
Emergency Pringles, bro.
That's Zurich.
It's a little windy because of that you made.
That was a bar. Yeah.
Oh, that's a churro. Yeah.
So I would say yes, please. We would appreciate soap and toilet paper to get into the restroom.
Because I like to dookie and I need to wash my ass.
So it's day 5 in Switzerland. We literally hiked. It was pouring rain. My feet are like extremely wet. I'm just cold. Tengo, you know that video? A su pinche madre, está bien frío. I feel it really, really bad right now. I feel it. A su pinche madre, está bien frío. But this is what we hiked up to. It's so peaceful. Oh my gosh. And then I had tea over here. And look at this. It is so beautiful. We're gonna go to a town called Spies, which the water, it looks amazing there. Running for the bus. On the bus. Now we're gonna catch the train. Yes. Let's go. We went to a lake in a town called Spies. I remember that one. And it was just so beautiful. But again, it was raining. We couldn't really admire the view. But it was still beautiful regardless. Eric wasn't feeling well, so he went back to the Airbnb, and he was the one navigating this whole trip. I had the app downloaded, So I tried to navigate. I connected to my hotspot. It was confusing to understand, and I accidentally caused us to miss our connecting train, and we had to wait for another train. But you know what? We missed it, but we were able to catch a bus on our way back home, which, hey, it's a plus. We didn't have to pay for a cab. But yeah, that was overwhelming though. But we got home. Apenas. So we're back home. We went to McDonald's to eat dinner. We were supposed to cook, but we changed our minds. It's like different than the McDonald's back home. We were supposed to go to Italy, but we're no longer going to Italy due to not being able to find a time and tickets being sold out already. So esta va a ser para otra ocasión, pero no pasa nada, which means we get to spend more time here in Switzerland. But yeah, we're actually in early. It is 9:07. Can you believe it's 9:07 and it's still so bright? Literally, it's 9. A ver, focus. 9:07. But we did get rained on, and my toes were so soaked that they were wrinkly and white, and so was other people's toes. But it's been nice. It's been really nice. So beautiful here. My shoes are drying. This Wednesday, I tried a cafe. It is day 6 in Switzerland, and we had to run again this morning to catch the bus because it was already there. At this point, we're running to trains, buses. No pasa nada. I just got a chocolate palm and is waiting for a cappuccino. I went to Coops to get like my drinks, like my smoothie and my orange juice. The orange juice there were really good. I'm not sure what they put in that orange juice, but it's really, really good. We have arrived to our destination, which is Zurich. We are walking to a museum a little bit, and the girlies are waiting to take some pictures. So cute. Actually, the museum is sold out, so no museum. H&M's in Switzerland están a otro nivel. Like, no tienen la ropa que tienen aquí in the States. We stopped at H&M real quick to help Amanda find a blue dress. H&M, you can scan your items and do self-checkout. There is a bridge here with locks. This is so cool. Pues yo no lo puedo hacer, pues, porque ya saben por qué. Look at the view. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at all these locks. Que viva el amor. We just stopped at this really cute Swiss shop to buy souvenirs. I bought 2 of my coworkers bells so they can ring when they're at their desk if they need me, because sometimes they're like waving at me and I'm not paying attention, and so now if I hear the sound, I'll be able to hear them now.
This can be chicken too? Or no? Yes. No, we have those. This one is can be chicken or just this?
You just no. This is only one, yeah. Also, this here is only one. And without chips for 14.50. This here is with chips for 17.50. But this is only one. You just it.
Lunchtime. This is the spot where we had lunch at.
Mediterranean food.
Rate it.
I rated 8.5 out of 10.
I had chicken nuggets, so you know they ain't much to rate. On our way to the chocolate factory. The what?
The one that John was at orientation.
Quick little photo session while we wait for our bus or train because we got on the wrong one right now, but hey, no pasa nada. It's been happening all trip long. We're kind of used to it. We take our L's and we move on because we don't have time to, you know, we have to hop on the other one. We went to the Home of Chocolate. We took a bus ride there. A bus ride, and then we walked the rest of the way. We didn't do a tour due to time, but it's okay. We all bought chocolates, and the chocolates from Switzerland, like, they're not heavy. They're just so soothing. They're like, they're really good. I bought 100% cacao chocolate, and there is a taste test everyone did, and you'll see their reactions. Llegamos. In a chocolate shop. I'm gonna purchase 100% cacao chocolate from here. I'm also gonna get the Swiss collection to take back home to my family. Live entertainment. Ooh, ooh.
They got no video.
I did. We're across.
Gonna go to give the guy a drink.
A drink?
Give him a break.
Nope.
Eric. Eric.
I don't know if it says no tips though. You know what? There we go. We missed our bus again tonight. We have to wait for a taxi.
Commodity malad, no good, and very rich. That is possible. It's not possible.
It's funny how like that's their like mindset in this side of the world. Like, oh,
For dinner, I'm having a Mexican chicken salad.
He speaks better. Our guy doesn't fucking understand.
This.
you understood Amanda? Amanda said, "Hey, we have 9 people here."
Yeah, I spoke to him just fine.
Yeah, and he's like, "Okay, I'm coming. Give me 10 minutes." He said just like that.
Alright, so we're gonna.
Maybe.
But you might want to call him tomorrow night. Be like, "Hey, can you pick us up Friday?" Don't call him.
Pasta.
So what we doing tomorrow?
Whatever you guys want. I'm letting y'all decide. Whatever y'all want. I'm not gonna sit here. Y'all, whatever y'all want to do.
So we could.
Y'all pick something. We'll go to it. We'll do it. I don't care.
Can I say it again so that you know? Like, he said we could sleep in. Because I don't heard you say it like 5 times, bro.
He said we could sleep in.
That's what I'm saying. I said that already. If you want to sleep in, Lou, you can sleep in, bro. You can go get your little 6-pack.
I'll find my way to y'all.
Yeah, find your way to us. That's
I was black out. Is that a challenge? Oh shit, there's Eric. There's the game. Who's got sharper?
I am. John's in Russian though.
I want to figure out what
2,
we're gonna do though.
4.
That's $4. $4, 420, 450.
How about that cooling off after that run?
450 plus 20.
Yeah, you're digging on the
How long do you think that little run took me?
Is the hard truth of Switzerland?
Oh, he still made that song.
Like make a guide of everything wrong you did in Switzerland for the next person to do. Because I wish I would have seen a fucking video like that.
Yeah, you're right about that.
Honestly, like,
What?
like I told D to make the hard truth of Switzerland. Like
It's not really Switzerland. It's really the Airbnb that messed us up.
yeah,
Well,
cause
but in general, like the trains, the buses.
yeah, like
all that stuff.
I think
honestly, say like just make a TikTok and just be all like, the bus rides are like 2 hours away, blah blah blah, to each train, to each
And they will
city.
leave. Like they will leave before your time.
Yeah,
You know,
earlier
it was
than the time.
9:05 and they were gone by now.
But like maybe say like, oh, make the extra expense and staying in the city would be better than staying up here, even though the view is like nice, like stuff like that. Like I feel like
The
people
location, look up the
enjoy to
location.
hear
I
because
think the idea should be
the little
do your
expense that we
research of
would've-
the town you're staying in. You know, make sure they're not.
the little
closing
expense
down.
we would have made probably staying in the city would save us so much money on like taxis and like whatever we're making. Like I probably spent like $200 on a taxi ride already, like being here.
Yeah.
Honestly, like
We're trying to do some laundry.
We're locked out.
And it's closed. That day when we got back to the Airbnb, it was I wanted to wash my clothes. The dryer and washer in that Airbnb sucked. It didn't wash properly and it didn't dry properly. But thankfully, Sophia gave me for my birthday this like tendedero, this little rope to hang up my clothes, so whatever didn't dry from the dryer, I tied the rope in our room and we let it air dry.